Hi, I'm Peter from Total Bathrooms, and today I want to talk about the pressure or the flow of your shower. Now, it's really important we don't conflate pressure and flow. They are related, but they're not the same thing. That's probably going to be the title of another video. The important thing is it's about the amount of water that comes out of your shower head. And if that's a problem for you, it's probably got to do with your system. Now, broadly speaking, there are three types of systems in the UK. There's the instantaneous, which provides heat immediately when you turn the tap on. These are things like combination boilers. These have gas or flames or electric elements which heat the water as soon as you require it. Then there's the unvented systems, which are things like your, for example, pressurized cylinder. These run off the mains water pressure, so generally the pressure for these are really good. But the one that most people have in the UK that causes pressure problems is the open vented system. Now, this system is something that usually has a tank in the loft, so a cold water tank. So you can tell if you've got a cold water tank, a black usually or dark green tank that sits up in your loft, that is generally part of this system, and you will probably have low water pressure if you've got one of these systems. It operates with a heated cylinder in the cupboard, the airing cupboard, and the water that comes down from the water tank in the loft pressurizes the water in the tank. But of course, it only gives it a little bit of pressure. And this can cause problems with your shower heads and how well they work. Now, the way that you can test for this is to open a cold water tap, put a jug underneath, and time 6 seconds. Measure how much water has come out of the tap in 6 seconds, and that'll, broadly speaking, by doing a calculation, which I'll explain in the footer of this video, will give you roughly the flow rate that you've got coming out of your taps and your shower. Now, what can you do about this? That's what you really all want to know. Well, you can change the system and put in one of the other systems. That's a very expensive route to take. Or a less expensive route is to put in a pump, like we see under this contraption here down at the showroom. Now, if you put in a pump, you can improve the pressure by as much as you like, really, because a pump can come in a 1.5 bar pressure, a 3 bar pressure, even a 4 or a 6 bar pressure. So you can ramp up the pressure to give yourself one of these large shower heads if you wish. And that's a lot less expensive way than changing your entire system for a pressurized cylinder or a combination boiler. You might find, though, that you want pressure to the whole house. You don't just want to pressurize the bathroom. If you want to improve the pressure to the whole house, then you're probably better off going for one of those other systems. Now, you might be saying in the background, but hang on, I've got a combination boiler and I don't have a very good pressure. Well, that's a topic for another video because there are a number of things you can do about that as well. So that's been Peter from Total Bathrooms talking about improving your shower pressure when you've got a gravity-fed system. Thank you very much.